So at Gloucester, we're renewing the switch and crossing units just at the west end of the station. We're renewing 6 units and we're refurbishing 2 units, and the purpose of that is to extend the life of the track. At this site, we're trying really hard to use as little diesel fuel as possible.
We have been very keen on our sustainability. So, like for instance, we're trying to ensure that we run a site that is diesel free. Our lighting systems, for instance, is a combination of battery and solar system.
We've had all our link lighting powered by batteries.
Pro Electric have been working in collaboration with the S&C South Alliance to use battery-powered and solar-powered link lighting to reduce diesel usage and emissions on site. We've got the Pro Track link lighting. The usual setup is 9 link lights to 1 battery, and each battery will last for 16 hours each. Solar-powered RXM tower light, which is the new product, which is slightly smaller than the standard BT1 tower light, but is run solely off solar.
All our compound lighting by solar, and our generation in the compound area by solar as well.
And we've got the solar container which powers all the cabins as well, and the food van.
We've got solar powered systems for reminding people to shut the gates around the site, and we're using battery powered tools. And the purpose of all that is to reduce the carbon footprint, but also to reduce the noise levels on site, and it also reduces the disturbance to our line-side neighbours. And at this station, it's also open to passengers during some of the work, so it's also less disruptive for passengers and station staff.
Vast majority, if not all of our small tools, for instance, are battery powered.
Obviously we've got battery drills, like I said, battery chambres for drilling the rail. Personally, I find it a lot better with, like I said, we're using battery chambres, so we're not having to carry fuel, we're not having to deal with fuel, so it's cut that hazard out for us as well.
The S&C South Alliance are working in collaboration with On Track to reduce the amount of paperwork used on our sites. We're using an electronic safe work pack which includes permits and task briefs. We're working closely with On Track to improve the app to make things better and easier for all our customers to use on site.
A system which is known as a dust suppression system. Originally, this was introduced to us using generator to power the system, but due to our sustainability drive, we ensure that this system is converted from generator to battery powered. It's just one of the things we're doing to continue to improve in our sustainability and looking after the environment. And another example is this bottle in my hand. It's something that is given out to everybody that signs on to the site, and this is to ensure that we reduce the use of plastic bottles or plastic cups on site. So we've got water stations at several locations across the site. We reduce the amount of plastic that is being thrown back into the environment.
We've used far less diesel, so our carbon footprint has been much lower for this work than it would have been the way we used to do things. We're not completely fuel-free, but we're trying to get there, and we're very proud of the steps that we've made. We've used loads of battery and solar power, and we've also managed to get everybody using reusable drinks containers, which has reduced the single-use plastic we've had to take away from site.